बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। नहमदहू व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम। My dear super subscribers, well wishers and viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Bakhair Ragle Zama YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss with you the recipe of making Afghan chicken pulao. So this is very delicious to eat, and with few ingredients you can make it. And the spices, the chilies that are not used in making this. So coming to the ingredients that we need will be the chicken, and then rice, cooking oil, salt, ginger, garlic, onion, these spices that I will describe in the description box also, and the quantity that is to be used, the carrots and the black raisins. So coming to the method is very simple and easily you can manage it. First of all, you have to take the chicken and you have to see that what is the measurement of, what is the weight of the chicken. You have to make the weight. When you have done this, then you have to select the rice and then the equal quantity of rice that will be used. For example, if the chicken is 1 kg, then 1 kg rice that you have to use. And in this, you have to wash it 3 times and then let it rest for 45 to 1 hour so that it may soak water. And when you have made the weight of this, then you have to make the measurement that how much cup of this rice is there, because of the reason that the soup that we will be preparing from this chicken, the double quantity of the soup will be used in this. For example, if you have taken 1 cup, for example, for 1 cup of rice, then 2 cup of soup that will be used in this. First of all, you have to give heat at the low position, and then you may add little bit of 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. This will go in this, and then after you have to add the carrots. You have to add carrots, and then for some time you have to, for 1 or 2 minutes, you have to heat it, cook it, and then you have to add the black raisins also. This will also be added in this. And when you find, here we have to add sugar also, and then we have to give it a cook. Here you can see that the sugar is melted and the raisins black resins, they have gained double the size of their original. At this stage, you may put off the heater and dish out these resins in some utensil. Now here you have to add the chicken in the utensil, and then you have to add these masalas also. All these masalas, they will also be added in this. I have added all these masala in the with the chicken, and then after some time cooking, then we have to add the boiling water. This will also be this is done to obtain the soup. For obtaining the soup, we have to add water, boiling water, and when we have obtained the soup, then the rice will be added in this. Here about the rice, I would like to say that the super quality rice, the best quality rice in the world is Super Kernel Basmati, and that is grown in Pakistan, in Punjab province, in district Sialkot and Naurawal. So they are very delicious and they are very long grain rice. Whereas rice from Sindh, Johi, the name of the rice is Sukdasi rice. That is very also delicious in taste. When you are preparing that rice, then it is must that the aroma of that cooked rice will go in the neighboring house. That is also very delicious. This rice is from Sindh province of Pakistan. Now our soup is ready. At this time, we will take out the chicken, and actually we have to do the soup. We need soup, so we have to take out the chicken, and also these spices we have to separate them also, and we have to obtain the soup of the chicken. Here I have separated the soup into the bowl, and then next what we have to do is that we have to take cooking oil, and then we have to fry onions. Make sure that we have to bring them in the light brown color position. These are not to be overcooked. This is just the right color that we need, and we don't have to overcook it. So at this stage, now we have to add the soup, chicken soup. We have to add this chicken soup into this, and again give it a good boil. Now here at this stage we have to add the rice. Here I would our final product now is ready. At this stage you can see that the rice is very well cooked, and now it is ready to be served. If you like the recipe, then kindly press the like button, share it with someone. Your comments are always welcome in the comments box section. Press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for your watching the video. Thank you very much for your time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.